Morning, everybody. It's 8:33 on this Tuesday morning, the 5th of December, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1997. Okay, Asia is down, Europe is mixed. Um, the crawl says Asia is down on concerns about our jobs numbers. I don't exactly get that. First of all, the job numbers are still 3.5 days out. And I don't know why Asia would be down on those. Here at home, we have the stock futures lower, $80 down in the Dow, $80 down in the Nasdaq, and $15 down um, in the S&P. Richard Branson, you know, when the rats leave the ship, they all go. Richard Branson stepping away from supporting SPCE. Um, SPCE is Virgin Galactic. It was actually the first of the big SPAC deals, and they loved it. I mean, took it all the way up to 62. Currently, it's $1.90, and in the last 3 days, it has fallen from $2.35 to a low of $1.85. So, good luck to you, Branson. GitLab, a major beat on revenues, a slight miss on earnings, but the stock had good guidance and is currently trading 60.41 up 751 or 14%. And in the last 9 days, the stock has gone from 45 to this 60 level. Spear, SPHR. I mentioned this a couple of times because it looks so cool. This is the big venue that's attached to the Venetian in Las Vegas. This one's been all over the place, but this morning they announced that they're doing $225 million worth of convertible debt. The stock is trading 29 and a half, down $4.12. One of our subscribers and a good friend of mine has been there to the U2 concert. By the way, when that first opened with that U2 concert, the stock was 43 and a half, but says it's a phenomenal experience. So there you go. But, again, this was spun out from Madison Square Garden Entertainment. Replimune. This one is a failed trial on a carcinoma drug. The stock closed 12.32 yesterday. They must have had some sort of decent headline because it opened and went to 13 and a half and then turned around and moved all the way back to $4. Last on the stock is 675. That's down 557 or 45%. And SSNT, that's Silver Sea. That's the one I told you about yesterday. That the chairman of XPO was making $1 billion investment, paying the shareholders about a 50-cent stock dividend, and then leaving them with the part of the company that he wasn't interested in. The stock yesterday was as high as 1380. It closed 1093. Today, the lawyers got involved, and the stock is trading at 9, down 349 or 29%. Okay, grains slightly lower. The wheat down down about 3/4 of a cent a bushel. Corn up a little, soybeans up a little. The wheat had a great run yesterday, up 17 and a half. We discussed it. I discussed it on Sunday in the letter. We discussed it here yesterday morning. And as you can see, we had a really nice move yesterday. We're getting into that area where it might be a problem with the declining 200-day MA, but that's 20 cents higher, and would be profitable on WEAT. The gold has calmed back down. It's up 4.5. Silver's basically unchanged, down 4 pennies. Um, as I said, the stock indexes are coming back a little. Um, Nasdaq now down only about 60, S&P down 12 and a half, and the Dow is down 88. Dollar got a little bit of stabilization yesterday, up 45 cents. This morning it's up at 3 cents. Bitcoin after that massive run is, basically unchanged, and the bonds are up a point. Let me see. We also have um, some numbers today. They don't come for a little while. The final November S&P Global U.S. Services PMI at 9:45. November ISM PMI at 10 o'clock. And we also have the JOLTS number. Let me just check and make sure I give you the right time on that. The JOLTS also come out at 10 o'clock. So there you go. Have a good day, and I'll be back later.